Okay, here's a quick one on using group layout in Titan together with shapes. So what we do, I have just started Titan and created a new show. Then we go to patch dimmers and we patch a couple of dimmers in here, like so. This is 30 dimmers. Then I go to Open Workspace window, Capture Visualizer. So right now we have all 30 in one line, I believe. Have a look. Yeah. So, and I group them together in like 10, 10, and 10 or something like this. This is very easy in visualizer settings, and I select 21 through 30 and go to position and Z to, yeah, like so, or 3 meters roughly. Then I go to 11 through 20, Z position. Two meters, like so. Or we click in there and set it to 2. And we move it over there, X position, so that it is roughly behind the others. And finally the last 10. And we move them only behind the others. Roughly like so. Okay, let's try. We select all and locate. Let's have a look from above. It's the easiest thing. Open settings, cameras, and okay, nothing special, at least it works. So we could select now we do it like this. So we have 3 groups of 10 fixtures, okay? So, and this is what we then need to do in the group layout editor. So this is how our groups are arranged in real life. Then next thing is we make a group where we want to apply our shape on. New group called dims, okay. Then we go to edit times of our group and select edit layout. And as you can see, inside the group all the fixtures are just the way how we have selected them. And of course we need to rearrange this a little bit. Zoom out. Then we select 21 through 30 and move them here. And we select 11 through 20, move them here. I think this is roughly how we have arranged them in Capture. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Want to have a look again? Dim, layout. Okay. This little line should be down here. it's comparable, yeah? The two bottom lines are close together and the upper one is, or the back one is a little bit more separated. Okay, this is the preparation in our shape group as well as in Capture. And now we start creating a shape. If I simply select the fixtures up here and do a shape, yeah, shapes effects, shape generator, create, dimmer, and dimmer saw. This looks okay. Now we do the spread thing to something, and you see, regardless how you put the spread, yeah, we have 10 in the group, so do it like this. Then it runs from left to right. Now we go to spread 15, yeah, or spread 30. Then you can see that there is only one spot which runs through all the fixtures in one line, because we have selected them individually here. Yeah, so this is spread 30, and we record this as a cube for reference to have a look later on. And now I do the same thing, selecting the group we created and we made the layout for. Create, shape, dim saw. This looks the same. Now we go to spread 6, spread 8, spread 10. Well, you see, it takes the group layout into account, regardless what I set a spread to. Yeah. Now I have 34. I set a spread to 30 exactly. And this is completely different. The settings are the same, but the outcome is completely different. Record and have a look here. So the first layout is made with the fixtures selected individually. Yeah, really strange, because inside they are just one long line. And the second one is taking the group with its layout. And finally, we can also try and select the group again, select the fixtures again. Then shapes effect, shape generator, create, dimmer shape, dimmer saw, set some fancy spread, and now we change the direction from bottom to top, for instance. And amazingly, regardless what I set the direction to, it is only one long line. This is from bottom to top, or try another one. From top to bottom, for instance, like this. Yeah, all are simultaneously. Even here from center. And now I try again the same thing with our little group here. Select group, shapes effects, shape generator, create, dimmer, dim saw, set spread to some weird value, and now change the direction. Now it goes from back to front. Now it goes from front to back. And of course, because it's only in this direction and in that direction is only 4 elements, so if I should put a spread a little lower. But you see clearly it goes from the front to the back. And if you go here, it goes from center outwards. Yeah. So this is how you take the group layout into account when creating shapes. Have fun.